Along the bevadi, I up to me, I valley. She's a guy down with my heat, so I love whom you're me. Along the bevadi, I up to me, I valley. She's a guy down with my heat, so I love whom you're me. Say good down, say I so near, but when you do, bang drug away. Tatanaya, tall melody, Badaya, showing logi, did a good in where, tailing of the Mama to Janedi, Tirago Jango, Jiboda Takatoni, Atipinamia, Wagati, Abeda Matea, Janami, we Patana Chiti, Mabazedi. Nyapala Tera Wada Mapya Thavara Nila Taraka Pamamacha Wesi Kabatalwa Chiti Buddha Yamji Disabu Macho Pidigusiara Nada Sugar Pya Ayudana Siyoni Kanyadoti Bevadi, I up to me, I valley. She's a guy down with my heat, so I look your knee. Along the bevadi, I up to me, I valley. She's a guy down with my heat, so I look your knee. Say good down, they are so near, but when you do, bound drug away. Tatanaya, tone melody, Badaya, showing logi, did a good green, tailing Lotari. Mama to Janedi, Tirago Jangoji, Buddha Takatoni, Atipinamia, Wagati, Abeda Matea, Janami, we Patana Cheti, Mabazedi. Nyapala Tera Wada Mapya Thavara Nila Taraka Pamamacha Wesi Kabatalwa Chiti Buddha Yamji Disabu Macho Tidigusiara Tada Sugar Pya Ayudana Siyoni Kanyadoti Bevadi, I have to now I valley. She's a guy down with my heat, so I love whom you're me. Along the bevadi,
night before the Buddha's Pranibbana. Buddha traveled to many places, started from Rajgiri. Around May, estimatedly, I would like to say, full moon day of May, from Rajgiri, Buddha started his journey. Rajagaha, two first bases where? Ambalatika. Ambalatika to Nalanda. Nalanda to Pataliputra. When the Buddha arrived at Pataliputra, maybe rain heavily started. Evidently, and Udakara also are constructing this at the Pataliputra as a fort city to defend the Vijji. And stay 1 or 2, 3 nights. Buddha delivered the sermon in this new city construction, fourth city construction. Yasamai Badese Gabedi, Wasam Pandita Jadiyo, Sila Vandita Bojitawa Sanyadi Byama Jarayo, Yadata Devada Asam Dasandakina Madise. Da Budzi, da Buziandi Manida Manayandi na. Oh, Sally Sadaka. Come on, Sally Nicola. Eh, Sada Mama Lade. The Rabbi is beautiful. After teaching 2 stanzas in this Pataliputra constructed area, and then cross the Ganga river full of water. Buddha flying across the river, the sky, with the Bhikkhu Sangha. And landed at the side. In what city? Landed at the other side, what city? Visali. But not stay longer, just cross it. Buddha approached to the Welua village. Welua or Belua or no different. You can use this name of the village, Welua or Belua. Wa and Va are Kari and Kariya. Gariya different. Vilua, Wandoyo, Bamboo village, near the Wisali. Buddha stayed in Wasa, in this village. Hold on. You can make yourself Buddha's journey before the Pranirvana. Within 1 year, Buddha traveled a lot. 80 years, 79 years old, the Buddha. When Buddha approached the Vilua Gama, Bamboo Gama, Bhagavato, Bala Pavatandi, Pabala Pavatandi Virana, Maranantika. Many a big girls apart. Palida, Samena Blau. 87. Nimido Bada, Pabila. Mara Yasana. Okay. In Burmese Pali, page 87. Mara Yasana Katha. Burmese alphabet Pali with Nematare. The very exception. No? Myanmar Glasgow, Maludan Thembo to Shiruma, Tetonga Bude, Kanakana Lepio Bude, for the foreign student, they may be facing the difficulty in Myanmar alphabet to Pali. First of all, we are reading Myanmar Pali. Please try. Page 87, paragraph 168. Myanmar Ekra, Myanmar number. Tako, Neganya Jawda Lady, Yala. Yala. Tako, at the time. Taka Maro Papim, Asira Pekandi, Adamandi, Anandi. Ina Bhagavati Nupatikami Adamandi, Anandi, Chiananda, the Asira Pekandi. Tukwa Doi, Machami, me. Papima, Yomado, Papima, evil one. Yomado, Mara Manadi. Yena Bhagava, Denuba Degami, Payashia, Cheka E. Uba Degami do Cheka B. Ega Mandan Atadi, then Yoyana Yai. Ega Manandeli Yoyana Tito Yabido Maro Manadi. Babi Bayomado Maro Manadi Bagondam Yaru. Ida Dawasa Izaga Shawi. Mana Shaude Pali Paisa. Dobi. Yawa me bala. Bhikkhu. Na tawaka boidandi. Era manaka shode. Bandi Bhagava Bhojito Vyasabhya Dani Yakhu Prinipa Tu Prinipa Salai Baro Tukado Kondo Zagago Sodo Phaya Prinipa Tu Prinipa Salai Baro Bandi Vyasabhya Dani Idani Yakhu Khala Bhagavata Vyasabhya I Prinipa Kalo Prinipa Sayame Achime Bandi Vyasabhya Bhagavata Vyasabhya the Ida Vasa Isagago Badida Babil Byobure Badida Byobure Aya Byobure Zagapa Yawa me Bhikkhu Natavaka Yawa Jimyagata Kalapalo, Mingaye Bhikkhu Yahandodi, Bhikkhu Yahampiko no Tawaka, the Bibi. Wiyada na Bhavidandi. Wiyada. Joinchen Nainja Gondi, na Bhavidandi, Mapit the Yakalapalo. We need Panza Soma Agodi, Nabuidandi, Mapit the Yakalapalo. With Aranda, Ye no Yahanda Dodi, Nabuidandi, Mapit the Yakalapalo. Boduda, Birga Domona, Jami, Miagodi, Nabuidandi, Mapit the Yakalapalo. Damadara, Birga Domo, Saudi, Nabuidandi, Mapit the Yakalapalo. Damanu Dama Padipana. Dhamma Alio Dhamma Chido Nang Mashi Didya Kalapalo Tamise Bribana Yudis or Chido Nang Mashi Didya Kalapalo Nabuidandi Anudama Sari no Dhamma Asenlai Chido Nang Mashi Didya Kalapalo Tawa Aboma Piane Tomiala Na Prinipa Yidami, Na Prinipa Masandebu. Dagan Asri Yagan Ogedo Asri Ketanti. Siya Wadago, Kongonyi Tincha Viro. Mohopio Nandidimia Kalapalo. Na Diditandi, Na Binyabitandi, Na Badbitandi. Daria Duruba, we were in Dandi, a Jeremy Pusso, Mohona, now we was a Dandi. Otani Karidandi, na Otani Karidandi, 10 shots on Babia, 90 Makalapalo, Opan and Praboada, Bobola, Durboria, Wada, the Hat Dambina, Pinaga Domone, Leonis, or Do Negi, and Negada, Kawani, Nick Biro. That Pati. That party Hariya Dhamma. The Goswami seated Dhamma. Na Didivandi. Mahon na Didivakalapalo. Hangadi na Prinivi Dami Priniva Masandibu. Look. Shevya Byobureli. Elu Pyasa. Hola. Bandi. Idari Onajiro Vyasabhya Idari Yakuro Bhikkhu Yando Dodi Bhikkhu Yahanya Chapita Bhagavata Bhaya Davidodi Viyada Vinira Vidara Buddha Dhamadara Dhamadura Padipana Tamisi Padipana Anudama Sarino Tat Tabadi Hari and Chosha Dhamma Didindi the Gupyati has seeded Dhamma Hona be Idari, no Guru Hona Nabi Mola Prinipa Dubandani Bandi Bhagawa Bandi Bhagawa Bonajiro Mudamya Sabhya Prinipa Du Prinipa Samarola Prini Badu Dugodo, Prini Basamaro Pia, Prini Banakalo, Dani Bandi Bagawado, Damians of Yaya Prini Basama, Chamber. Da Berida go shout. Bhikkhu Berida. Bhikkhu Berida. Dadara ma Swami Tadina, Mapis of Didina Kalapalo, Brene, Basambulo, or Pure. Go Bangarori, they Swami. Arimbo rather than the Madina Rudi, Hola. Mogulan solution at the Guna Cha, Sanya Medi. Nido Miazavia, Brene Basambo, a Chayawi. And the Agagadama. Nachau, second line. Yawa me bhikkhuni yo twela. Second paragraph and second line. Yawa me bhikkhuni yo na dawika. Bhikkhuni dawika re. Na that paragraph ma second line. Badwil Yawa me upadaka na paragraph fourth paragraph second line ma barele ero baya safa babu parama paragraph ma Bhavaka Bhikkhu Duriya Paragrama, Tawika Bhikkhuni, Tadiya Paragrama, Upadaka, Lavaka, Sarva Paragrama, Upatika, Lavaka, Dava. Arilu Tatalele Pinidari. Saria Meshid Meshid Tat. Ashe Bhikkhu body is sarupai. The Li Pada Legu body paragraph jini. Akoloha paragraph takhu vashi. Bhikkhu body is sarupai. Takhu vashi. Amino Deve Nalema Yaha Yama Daga Dagama Parida Leva. Piriga Domo and Join and Indian Mabiti Kalapala. Abia Brandi Babasambu, Shemia Puget, Guru, Yahan, Yahama, Yochayo, Mimari, Babiko Mila. They are very expert in Tipica. These four Orients are very expert in Tipica, how to teach, how to propagate, how to defend, how to fight. Very expert. Therefore, oh Gautama Buddha, now you should go do the Pranivana. Mara a request. Badida Kopanida Bandi Bhagwada Wasa. Natavaham Papima Prinibayidami, Yawa me Idam Yamasriya. A densewa Pitinsa. Vidariga Bausen and Buddha Buddha. Yawa do you have no the Idugadida? Idarai Kopada Bandi Bhagwado Bimasriya. Bandi Bhagavabuna Jiramudo Myasabya. Bhagava Myasabya the Ida was a Igago Bandida Byogure. Nadava Hamba Bima Brene Vaidami. Yawa me Namimasriya. A champion of the Galapalo. Ita the na a densa machuabu, na P densa Mapian Biobu, na Wetariga, Machepiambu, na Bausenya Lumias Abadibu, na Buddha Buddha, Yawa Duabrudehi, the Bogadita. Oh, me the way a kind mamma pit. Nadia Ludia Goni, Mache, Bamia, Madi, Dimia, Calabalo, Reni Bamasamulu, Kuropiore, Idari, Yakuro, Bagawata, Yasa, Jai, Bibasaria, Tadanaro, 8 Densewa, Pidensa, Vitari, Gambauzinia, Budupuna. Yawa, do you want to know the Hidogadina? Nayo, Luya, Golo, Senesha, Digobi. Bandi Bhagava Boji Domya Sabya Preni Badu Dani Kuva Preni Masale Bado Preni Badu Dugato Kaudo Daga Surya Paya Preni Masamaro La Preni Marakala Dani Bandi Bhagava Do Yasabya Yi Teaching Aguroya Preni Masame Achieve Mahopala Lo Bane conclusion lo Mara Babi Mabonda Ida Rosa. Eo de Managa di Lupioreca. Pagawamesa Biadi Maran Babi Manda Ida Rosa. About the God of Babi Mahoi. Hemana me Chang Chacha Lubnin. Pa Nasira Nadagadada Brini Bana Baway the Deep. Ida Dina Madana Zina Dadagada Brini Baye Dami Sasopa Ewo Diadi. Don't you? Shali do keke piniling 89 in Burmese. First, second, third, fourth paragraph. Page 89, fourth paragraph. Ewo de Bhagavan. Ido Myasabya. Ido Sudishido Bhagavan Yasabya di Maram Papi Mantang Yomare Mandago Ida Rosa di Zagapiore Papi Ma This only a deco He a Yoko Donde the Apotoko Hohi Chong Chong Cha Cha Luminine Tadagada Danya Sabiai Breni Bana Breni Basanjidi Nasira Majami Me Away the deep Pili Me Ito Inima Badhaya Sayu Tepa Ida Inima Badhaya Sayu Tena Madana Dona do go easy na lono akanai. Ine Masavi now Dona Lono aka. 12 ya. Tadagadamya Savyadi Brini Vayi the di Brini Ban Sale Idi. Ito Tena Madana Ine Masavi Dona Lono aka. Ini masa sudah beni asa. Kesolabi mabrini bansame soro. Kesolabi ayat tonglah doa. Degulabi dalak nabya. Degulabi dalak nala. Degulabi mana? Nabu biang. Kesolabi ani degulabi. Degulabi ani debolabi, debolabi ani bila deborelabi. Ero ayuk dekara suni raga deborelabi ni ubema besi dire. Wedali ma besi dire. Mana? Wedali ma besi dire. Jasa jodoh tahu tiga, piang labi yo, dalam. Ayuthengara lutte. Ayuthengara odasi. Ero thola jaya Brini Basalai be. Soro era babyo. August salonga biobida. Tiku chauka biobida. Ayuthengara rodhi sana. Erlo biora ha benama biole. No? Auma dwibi. Thagotoga Bhagavan Bhyashanti Sapali Siddhi Sapala Nakon Siddhi Sura Nakon Tato Tati Thabiro Tamsada Pinyata Lekai Pyubiro Ayuthengara Odasi Sapala Nakon Ayuthengara Lut Era manago gu pyo nida le be Sapala Nakoma Ayuthengara Loi Sudika Balukha le Soro Adagada pyo de Ayu Palaka Phala Thamapa Ko Mawen Saro Gu Lu Sompya Chet Cha Ayu Palaka Phala Thamapa Ko Mawen Saro Gu Lu Sompya Chet Cha Ku Ayu Palaka Phala Thamapa Wensa Biro Adek Khanda Ko Tadhara Wiluwa Yuaga Ni Biro Dala Gera Drinjo Nazamo Nato Pyadu Tabudwe Debo Purure Labi Yaun Ero Tabure Labi Ni Iti Balau Thadaruma Wensa Thadaruma Tabure Labi Ni Hube Mawenzaro Gulo Dilumho Tabure Labi Ni Ma Chinyara Ero Wensa Thadar Ayu Palaka Phala Thamapa Swanyiga Beti Kwama Tabudwe Daba Dagu Hobe Neku Kesong Lazan Mania Pyodara Benia Ne Saliti Pom Labi Ne Jama Ari Phala Thamapa Swanyiga Yadwara Yohari Pyambo Dulu Yada Gu Pyoreda Nal Ida Dena Madana Isayena Ida Upa Uzali Naga Sabai Dia Fire Niwe Jagon the Bai Fire Beat Bhikkhu Preda Champiore Bhikkhu Ni Preda Champiore Upadaka Preda Champiore Upadika Preda Champiore Preda Liva In English, page 228. page 228. In English, page 228. Maharaj request. David Boss. Manaya don't suit yet. Soon after, Benedict Ananda had left the Bhagavan. Soon after, Benedict Ananda had left the Bhagavan. Ananda the Myaswa Bhya Thakwa Dhabi Machamim, Sankwa Biwi Machamim. The evil Mara, Yogmada Manadi, approached the Bhagavan, Myaswa Bhya Chinkat, and standing at Sadebli, Tadiyama Yale, thus said Dilo Pure to the Bhagavan, Myaswa Bhya Dilo Pure. Benevesa, O Myaswa Bhya, let the Bhagavan realize Pranibhana. Pranibhana realize Myamau Sadai Loni Nalabuka. Let the Bhagavan realize the Pranibhana. Myaswa Bhya Pranibhana, son of Muba. Now, by passing away, quite long Jim Myaswa Bhya Pranibhana, Myamau Bulai Ba. Let the Sugata realize the Pranibhana. Sugata needed Myaswa Bhya Nibbana Myamau Bulai Ba. It is a time now for the Bhagavan to pass away. Myaswa Bhya da Kwalamu Ache Yaupi and realize Pranibhana. Nibbana Myamau Bulai Ache Yaupi. Benevesa, O Myaswa Bhya, at one time Takharunga Bhagavan had indeed said, Bhya Dagegu Bhya to meet Virabuli, Bhya Dagegu Bhya. These Galoni Bhya Mula, O evil one, hey, do you Nayuma? I shall not pass away. Now, but they do so long as my disciple, Bhikkhu. Voilà. Eriniyama Sadhu, my disciple, Bhikkhuni, Naudabhu Sadhu, my disciple, lay devotee. Female, sorry. My disciple, Bhikkhuni, Upasaka Balokola, lay devotee, lay disciple, Upadika, lady disciple. The lay devoted Palayan, Pio. Lelo, Lebo, Jipane, Shiashi, Bhikkhuni, Upadaka, Upadika. Bhikkhuga Barele. Bhikkhu Bhikkhuni Jaro. Bhikkhuni female disciple အဲ့တော့ကဲထားပါတော့အဲ့ဘိက္ခုနီဥပဒကဥပတိကပရိသတ်၄ပါးတို့ဘာမဖြစ် are not yet accomplished in learning တွေ့လားဘိက္ခုနီဥပဒကဥပတိကပရိသတ်၄ပါးတို့ are not yet accomplished မပြည့်စုံသေးတဲ့မြတ်ကလပါလုံး in learning သင်ကြားရာ၌မပြည့်စုံသေးတဲ့မြတ်ကလပါလုံး are not yet well schooled in control of the deed word and thought deed ကိုမူရာ word စကားပြောခြင်းနှုတ်မူရာ thought စိတ်မူရာကိုယ်နှုတ်စိတ်သုံးပါးလုံးကိုလေ့ကျင့်တဲ့လုပ်ငန်းမပြီးဆုံးသေးတဲ့မြတ်ကလပါလုံး school ဆိုတဲ့စလုံးကလေ့ကျင့်တယ်အဲ့ဒါ school ဆိုတာလေ့ကျင့်တဲ့နေရာ school ကိုဒီနေရာမှာကရိယာလောက်ထားတယ်ကိုယ်နှုတ်စိတ်သုံးပါးလေ့ကျင့်တာတွေမပြည့်စုံသေးတဲ့မြတ်ကလပါလုံးဘိက္ခုနီဥပဒကဥပတိကပရိသတ်၄ပါးတို့ not yet ဘာလဲ confident ဟုတ်လားဟုတ်တယ် not yet confident သရတရားနဲ့မပြည့်စုံသေးတဲ့ကလပါလို့ not yet endowed with the right knowledge ဘဟုတုတ္တနဲ့မပြည့်စုံသေးတဲ့ကလပါလို့ not yet learning သင်ကြားခြင်းနဲ့မပြည့်စုံသေးတဲ့ကလပါလို့ဘိက္ခုနီဥပဒကဥပတိကပရိသတ်၄ပါးလုံးတို့ are not yet able to remember memorize မြတ်စွာဘုရားအဘိဓိကသုံးပုံကိုနှုတ်ငုံမဆောင်နိုင်သေးတဲ့ကလပါလို့ memorize ဆိုတာနှုတ်ဆောင် teaching သင်ကြားခြင်းမလုပ်နိုင်သေးတဲ့ကလပါလို့ to carry the teaching ဟုတ်လားဒီကသုံးပုံကိုဆောင်မထမ်းနိုင်သေးတဲ့ကလပါလို့ not able to practice fully according to the teaching ဆုံးမတော်မူသည့်အတိုင်း yet not able to practice မကျင့်နှုံးနိုင်သေးမကျင့်သုံးနိုင်သေးတဲ့ကလပါလို့ by means of vipassana insight meditation သတိပဋ္ဌာန်ဤအလျော်စွာကျင့်သုံးနိုင်ခြင်းမရှိသေးတဲ့ကလပါလို့ leading to the attainment of the mega ဒါရီထက်တာမဲ့ဉာဏ်ရဖို့ရန်ဥတည်၍ meditation ကိုမကျင့်နှောင်းနိုင်သေးတဲ့မကျင့်သုံးနိုင်သေးတဲ့ကလပါလို့ဘိက္ခုနီဥပဒကဥပတိကပရိသတ်၄ပါးတို့သည် are not yet endowed with the correct correctness in practice ကျင့်သုံးတဲ့နေရာမှာမှန်ကန်ကျင့်သုံးနိုင်ခြင်းမရှိသေးတဲ့ကလပါလို့ not able to live in perfect conformity ဓမ္မအားလျော်စွာမနေနိုင်သေးတဲ့ကလပါလို့ perfect conformity ဆိုတာအနုဓမ္မတရားဓမ္မလျော်စွာမနေနိုင်သေးတဲ့ကလပါလို့ with the righteousness and truth thisဓမ္မအားလျော်စွာသာသနာတော်မှာမနေနိုင်သေးတဲ့ကလပါလို့ဘိက္ခုနီဥပဒကဥပတိကပရိသတ်၄ပါးတို့သည် are not yet able to expound မဟောပြောနိုင်သေးတဲ့ကလပါလို့ expound and set ဖို့ဟောပြောပြသခြင်းမလုပ်နိုင်သေးတဲ့ကလပါလို့ဘိက္ခုနီဥပဒကဥပတိကပရိသတ်၄ပါးတို့သည် now are not there to make known ထင်ရှားအောင်မဆောင်ရနိုင်သေးတဲ့ကလပါလို့သာသနာတော်ကိုလောကကြီးမှာထင်ရှားအောင်မဆောင်ရနိုင်သေးဘူးဆိုရင်လို့ရှိရင်ပြိဋိဘမဆန်သေးဘူးပေါ့ are not there to establish သာသနာတော်ကိုတည်ဆောက်နိုင်ခြင်းကဘာမှာပြတ်ပေါအောင် establish တည်ဆောက်နိုင်ခြင်းမရှိသေးတဲ့ကလပါလို့ Bhikkhu, Bhikkhuni, Upadaka, Upadika, Prita, Libadodi are not there to make clear. Shen Lele Mapiopia Nagala to analyze, to explain in detail. And they say Shen Tempiajen, Webanjen, analyze Webanjen, Malo 90 Nagala Palo, and to make manifest tension or manifest or tension or evident there. Teachings and doctrine, teachers and doctrine. Those say I they are tension or Mapiopia 90 the Miakalapalo. Shilia, no, not they able to refuse yes, by means of a correct Mankane Nila Abhi or proper reason. Then he know a Jew champia beer. Others a doctrine. The child gang and you are that. Man can do a Jew champia beer. Man can do Nilampi. Yen Suji Malone and the Macarapalo. Refute. View of the belief may arise as. Go young Jire, go water. Tesha Pole of London are not yet able to expound Mahopio Nandi to set foot the wonderful sublime teaching and also according to Didia de Narago Gavapia of Malone Nandi the Miakalapalo Piasa Prini Bamasambu Shempia Piogere. Benevisa Guru of Abjibila. All of Tangaroriga Son and Ibabi, Eri Baiji Josha, disciple Beku. Now there are Baikli Tidilifa. Benevisa therefore. Semia the very Guru Son and me, Luzanga the Pico, we Birka the Moni Sanko be. Tatanara Bakababia on Lapchani name be Banya Popa. Daja Mulu, let the Bhagwan realize the Pranibhana now by passing away. Pranibhasabarola, let the Sukata realize the Pranibhana. Pranibhagobyamabyubadola. It is a dying achievement for the Bhagavan to pass away to realize Pranibhana. Yakuha Myasavya Pranibhasamu achievement. Prida Liba Pijay, Lega Pure, Era Lega Pade, Shake on the Bibi. And the Ligu is a bomb. Prida Benaba Brahma Bridaga, Beku, no Bridaga, no Bridaga, no Bridaga. I mean, Naya those lunch up. Naya those those name are paragraph Nagushi. Last paragraph of Chile. When this was a set, this is pure Kama. The Bhagavan was set to Mara. Yes, of Yaga Managu Pian pure, the evil one. Papi Master Manago Payapian Pure. You evil one, make you Maranga. Do not be anxious. Showing Chauja Manivan Equa. Before long, Nasiri Niwao era before long. Majami me. Pranibhana of Tathagata. Yes, of Yai Pranibhan, thee will take place ဖြစ်လိမ့်မယ် 3 months from today ဒီကနေ့ကစ၍နောက်3လကြာတဲ့အခါ the Tathagata will realize the Pranivana မြတ်စွာဘုရားသည် Pranivan ဆံလိမ့်မယ်ဒါဟုတ်လားအဲ့တော့အာယုသင်္ကာရလွတ်တာဘယ်နေ့လဲဆိုရင်ပြောတတ်ပြီလား 3 months before the Buddha's Pranivana full moon day of the Dabudwe ဟုတ်လားရသော်ပြပြိဋိဘာမဆံမီ3လအလိုဆိုတော့ဒဘုရလက်ပြည်နေ့ကကြီးညာလိုက်တာနောက်3လကြာကပြိဋိဘာဆံလိုက်မယ်ကြီးညာလိုက်အဲ့ဒီအောင်နဲ့ဆက်ပါအောက်ကပါရလေးအင်္ဂလိပ်အာယုသင်္ကာရသိစလားမြန်မာလိုပြန်ကြည့်အောင်89ကိုပြန်ကြည့်အောင် in Burmese 89 page 89 paragraph 169 Thakho Bhagawa မနက်ကိုအဲ့လိုပြောလိုက်ပြီးရောတဲ့ဘဂဝါမြတ်စွာဘုရားသည်စာပါဠိစေတိရေစာပါဠဇေရီမှာတတော်တတိရှိလျက်သံပဇာတော်ပညာတရားလက်ကင်ထားလျက်အာယုသင်္ခါရဩတစီအာယုသင်္ခါရကိုလွတ်လိုက်ပြီဆွန့်လွတ်လိုက်ပြီဟုတ်လားဩတထေအာယုသင်္ခါရီအာယုသင်္ခါရလွတ်သည်ရှိသောမဟာဘူမိစာလောဟောသည်ဗေဒနကောကြောက်ဖွယ်ကောင်းလောက်အောင်သလောမဟန်သောจิตသိမ့်ထလောက်အောင်မဟာဘူမိစာလောအကြီးကျယ်မြေကြီးလှုပ်ခြင်းဟာဟောသည်ဖြစ်ပြီးဒေဝဒုံဒုပိယောစနတ်တွေကလည်းစီတီးသလိုပဲနတ်တွေစီတီးတာလည်းဘယ်ဟုတ်မလဲမိုးတွေချိန်ဒေဝဒုံဒုပိထာသောဘဂဝါဣဒမတ္တဝိရိတောတာယံဝေလာယံဣမံဥဒနာဥဒနေတိထာကောထောကဘဂဝါဘယတိဣဒမတ္တဝိရိတောဣနေတိဘေကောကောသောတိဝေတာယံဝေလာယံထိုချိန်၌ဣမံဥဒနာဤဥဒံကိုဥဒနေတိကျွရင်လေပြီတုလမတုလင်းစဒုလမတုလင်းစသံဘဝဘဝသင်္ကာရအာဝတ္တစီမုနိဣဇန္ဒရတောသမာဟိတောအဘိန္တိကဝဆမိဝတ္တမံဘဝံဒီကထာအထကထာအထဝတွေအများကြီးနဲ့နဲ့ပေးတာအထဝတွေအများကြီးနဲ့နဲ့ပေးတယ်အဲ့ဒါတွေလျှောက်လို့နေနားလျှောက်ရဘာသာပြန်ဆရာတွေကလည်းပဲအဲ့ဒီအထဝတွေအတိုင်းဘာသာပြန်တယ်တုလကာမဝဇ္ဇရကုသိုလ်နဲ့ယူပါဇ္ဇရကုသိုလ်ကိုယူရတုလံကာမဝဇ္ဇရကုသိုလ်နဲ့ယူပါဝဇ္ဇရကုသိုလ်ကို၎င်းအတုလံအာယူပါဝဇ္ဇရကုသိုလ်အဲ့တော့ကာမဝဇ္ဇရနဲ့ယူပါဝဇ္ဇရကုသိုလ်ဟုဆိုတော့အတုပြု၍ရသောအတုလံအာယုပါဝဇ္ဇရကုသိုလ်ဟုဆိုသောအတုပြု၍မရနိုင်သောသံဘဝံဘဝကိုဖြစ်စေတတ်သောဘဝသင်္ခါရအာယုသင်္ခါရလို့လည်းခေါ်ရတယ်ဒီမှာတော့ဘဝသင်္ခါရသုံးထားပြီနော်အာယုသင်္ခါရနဲ့တူတူပဲဘဝကိုထိမ့်သိမ်းဆွတ်ရှုပ်တဲ့ Thengara I Thengara so that they are go to Bagauta. Blood Babagauta. And what they got was a Rada brother Maba Mo. Hold Rada brother Maba was I jingle. I would the sea son of movie do lensa do 9 pian and the Lishido. I do lensa Madu and Mabian and the Lishido. Number 1 what he will visit that though. What they had a bogo social thing are you think out the Mabago? I would the sea son of movie is a done is a done a biobaido. The Mai don't digi don't say that sheet of Budo Bagawanas of Yaguromia the te Palibo di Teme A baby Kawasa Miwa Ada Dambo. And that people yonder Thingame Mahayodo Kawasan Baidadi Iwa Thingame Mahayodo Kawasan Baidadi Wia Yavila Pala Mahayodo Situ Jidi, think I may say Puena Kawasan Chawu Mainu Romaga Sedaji, Urobaga Seda de Jereva Seda de Gama, with the Eni de Duremola, chaining a Dure that Tancha Eni Gili, and a Kawasaka, chaining a Dure at Eni you. And I just think I may say Poema. Mayodo Sidu Jidi Kawasan Dogolo Oh Mongu Tare Chawo Mainu Sewo Danza Chaining it Chaitare the Indigo Bidadiwa Chesila the Lube Ada than Bawon Ada Bambawon Mimi Gogo O Saimi Tare Ada Bambawan Mimi Gogo O Saimi Tare Kawasan Chawu Mainu Ne Dure Kilida Baile Chawu Dandajigo A Bendi Piesige Levi Ada Bambawan Mimi Dogologo O Saimi Tado Kawasan Kili Dadi Udo Chawo Mayojigo Chawo Danzajigo Bainadi Piesi Galevi English to Pama Pokon Era Lipa English page 232. Paragraph 169. Then Bhagavan, why at the Sapalasara why at the Sapalasara Sapala Nakoma Yasabaya Shinizin Bhagavan decided Yasabaya Subya Chalik mindfully the Dishizwa deliberately Yinyane Singing to give up ဆွန့်လွတ်ဖို့ဘာဆွန့်လွတ်မလဲကောင်းလိုက်တာစလုံးလေးဟေးကောင်းလေဘာလဲ life sustaining mental process နော်အာယုဘာလကဖလားသမဘာ life sustaining အာယုဘာလကလေ mental process သမဘာဒါချမ်းဖန်ရေးရတာဒီသမဘာကိုဘာသာပြန်ဖို့ခက်ဘဂဝါ why at the Sabala shrine Sabala shrine မှာမြတ်စွာဘုရားနေတော့ decided mindfully and deliberately to give up တတိပညာနဲ့တကွာဆွန့်လွတ်ဖို့ဆုံးဖြတ်လိုက် the life sustaining mental process အသက်ကိုထိန်းသိမ်းဆောင်ရွက်တဲ့ဗလသမပတ်ကိုဆွန့်လွတ်ဖို့ဆုံးဖြတ်လိုက်တယ် by not re-entering into ဖလသမပတ်တိကောင်းတယ်နော်ဘာလဲ not re-enter နောက်တစ်ပတ်ဒါပြန်ပြီးတော့ဝင်စားတော့ဝေလူဝရွာကနေပြီးတော့ဗလသမဘာဝင်စားပြီးတော့ယောဂကိုတားရတာဘယ်လောက်တားလိုက်10လဘယ်ထိတားလိုက်ဘုဘနဲ့ဆိုလာပြီးဒီတားပြီးပြီနောက်တာမဝင်စားတော့ဘူးလို့ဆုံးပြလိုက်တယ်အဲ့ဒါလေးကိုဒီမှာမှားထားတာအောက်က not re-enter into ဖလသမပတ်တိ after 3 months ဒီ3လရဲ့ဟိုဘက်ရောက်ရင်ဘာဖြစ်လဲတဘိုးရလာပြည်ဒီကနေနောက်3လဟိုဘက်မှာနောက်ထပ်တစ်ပါမဝင်စားတော့ဘူးဟိုဘက်အထိ effect ကကစုံလာပြည်ဒီရောက် when the Bhagavan renounce မြတ်စွာဘုရားကြည်ညာတဲ့အခါမှာ life sustaining mental process မြတ်စွာဘုရားသည် life sustaining mental process အာယုပါလကဖလသမဘာကိုဆွန့်လွတ်ပြီးသောအခါ there occur a great earthquake ကြီးကျယ်မြေလှုပ်ခြင်းဖြစ်တာရပဲကြောက်စရာကိုကောင်းလာတယ် hair reason မွေးညင်းတွေကိုထောင်းလာ goes of flesh causing လျှက်စီးတွေကလည်းလက်လိုက်တာ and it is dreadful နဲ့ကြောက်စရာကိုကောင်းတယ် also ပြီးတော့ roars of thunder မိုးကြိုးတွေကလည်းပြစ်လိုက်တာ burst forth continuously မိုးကြိုးတွေလည်းအဆက်မပြတ်ပြစ်တယ် then the Bhagavan perceiving this occur ဤဖြစ်ပျက်ကိုမြတ်စွာဘုရားသိတော်မူတဲ့အခါအတ္တကျူးရင်တော်မူတယ် at the instant ထိုခဏ၌အတ္တကျူးရင်တော်မူလိုက်တယ် the exalted verses ဒီရွတ်ဆိုတဲ့ဂါထာပုဒ်ကိုကျူးရင်တော်မူတယ် the Buddha ဂါထာမှာမုနိလို့ရှိတယ်နော်မုနိကိုသူကဗုဒ္ဓလို့လှုပ်သွားတယ်ဘာသာပြန်ဆရာမုနိသူရေးဖို့ခက်တယ်နဲ့တူတယ်ဖုတ်တော့လေးပေးထားတယ်မဟုတ်အေး the Buddha မြတ်စွာဘုရားသည် considering စဉ်းစားတော်မူလျက် weighing လေးလံစွာချိန်ဆတော်မူလျက် repeated existed ထပ်တလဲလဲပြိတ္တန်နေခြင်း against the incomparable and measurable of the Nibbana. Nibbana manation naindo. Nibbana immeasurable. Taindalu mayado. Repeat the existence. Tatalele breathe and jingo. Consider it. Sensa biro. When chaser biro. He wakes with a legend china has the renown genia. The existence producing comic evolution. He renowned the son of existent boa producing pandira comic evolution. Kama Sidana Dwiga Pubian T28 Tare existent Bawago he renowned the son like that. With the delight and inside meditation, inside that door, inside meditation pure, no? Madam Jack. Inside that door, Paya say, Amina Dukana Rema she. With the delight inside meditation, Kabrandia night Yobaida Bujin and the Gua. With the absolute calm of the mind. Say that lower nature moon in the Gua. He has a destroyed to perceive like the network of the Kilisa. Kilida, Natai Jigo, perceive like Kilisa Sura, moral development of Jita. Kilida, network Jigo, perceive like B. And Kilida, Natai Jiga, Balada, Kavarahan, Dugo, Okta. Like a but I do the go any zero of a chain may then change your in a yet go engine in a do so kill it the Netaji network Jigo he has destroyed Piesi Black Bead Yansara Udanedi Calling it, no? Era Begu body Satapa Emero Bushukam Atawari Udua Badabjana That a Bozoma Sadama Day Badabjana Zaga Bali Bogli a Jibugom La Father Tula Madule Zadamo What the Garanga was the Zimuni is that the Mahido, Abbey, Kawasami, what at the more. Tulang Adulinsa, no, neighbor, 9 Lulamia, Chelo Lamia, Bambo, Wari, Tadele, Pissy, but what they Karalu Koyare. But what they Karalu Koyare. The Kandayari, I would say Sonabi, is a darado, is a dare, Jovaido, the Mahido, Nichando, Seshiro Mudo, Muni, Dasomia, Goromiadi. Ada Tamawomi, the Gologo, Osai Vitado, Kawasa Chavo, Benjone, Dunile, Kilida, Netai Jigo, Abeni, Pesigelibi. All my savings are the account. Bali the Karesapam. Page 90, paragraph Diakonase, Chita. Tago Ayadamada Ananda, the Ida, the Hodi, Togashi Ananda, didn't say the Pola. Esayan Wadabo, oh, Abu Damadabo, oh, the Bishop Duru Sada. Mahavadayan Bumisano, Miji Lude, Lu Mahavadayan Bumisano, the cake over Miji Lukware, Baydanago, Josia Goma Ombe, Baloma Hando, Jadini Gutadwarabe, Diva Dubi Yosa Plendu, going and not the CD the Lube, Mujuriga, the Bilaka. Konuko bandi hidu kobisyo Mahado bumi salata badu bawa Jasa biayi biji bajang lutele lu Ida dahodi Tagodo gaya dama ananda Yina bhagavati nupathangami bhyashi yachinga lare Upathangami dwa bhagavanda biwari dwa ika mandani didi chinga biro Shame Israel bandi Abudan bandi Nyasa biayi Israel Abudan bisu duru sadam Mahawadaya bandi bumi salo Nyasa biayi biji jije lude Tu mahawadaya bandi bumi salo Miji ka dege ko lukta Baydana ko chawsha ko kong Ta loma hando Mwijini ko thawma Dewa dundu biyosa phalindu Nati sidi dhulu Kaunyi ka dadundu Konuka bandi hidu kobisyo Mahada bumi salata padu bhavaya Mi lukta Bajam le sura Mi lukta ajang shipa Mi lukta ajang shipa Atha Mahabhumi Sala Hetu no 1 Yatha Kaime Ananda Hetu Atha Pisaya Mahada Bhumi Salata Padu Bhavaya Mahada Bhumi Salata Padu Bhavaya Miji Jije Luchin Adwet Atha Hetu Atha Pisaya Ajang Shikhu Shit Kadame Atha Dei Ajang Shipa Karo Ananda Mahabhatawi Deja Jita Miejidi Bemadi Udege Badetida Tipane Kaide Miejiga Yebo Madini Yebo Madini Oga Yedu Boma Mieji Udega Yega Bemadina Wadi Badidida Lebo Madina Eri Yene Migu Oga Madharaba Lega Mada Ausama Ledu Yapomaga Midu Yedu Yapomaga Ledu No Leye Miye Ye Ngaba Mada Leye, ye, be. Hello, don't that need. Our lady look. Balo. Ye look up. Ye look up, balo. Ye look up. Ye look. Kali at the call. Mamma, we udeki, but they did that. Ye the ye night di Udagan wadi, but they did that. Ye the lena di Wato Di Bemadi Ha Lega Agatare Madira Hodi Kala Ananda the Mayor Yama Wada Wayandi Ananda Leading a Jiji, look share Kashima po. Mawada Wayada, Lady Jiji, they kama. Pa Udagan Gambedi, Yeri look them. Udagan Gambida, ye lolo but how a Gambedi, Meji look there. Hala. Ayam Patamo, Hedu Patamo Pisayo, Mada Bhumi Salata Padu Bhavaya Liga Sa Lodo Lire Manire Ye Loda Ye Lodo Ye Bamadini Baloda Miji Loda. And the Baba way, natural way, science that don't do that. Second condition. Unazabra Ananda Tamanowa, Hodi Bimanowa. Tamanowa, Hodi Bimanowa. Tamana la Yadela Yamana Yade Bibulite Edi man the good cheated. Say down with the bad dog. Say a low sheet and pit. Say down with the bad dog. Say sheet and pit. The one made it go manuva. Alone the good cheated. Nelle Shime Tada Brita Patawi Denya Bawida Hodi. Eddie the Manari Bimanari Eddie the Gujire Nadiha Pareda Badawi Denya Bawida Mega Nango Neneli Shuta Appamana Abodena Abogadeno Chijeshu Mala Abogada Chijeshu later, though Imam Batawi can be the Gambedi. Abogada Jiji Shuledo, Yiri would look like Habokwa. Did the go see the Bajan see the Yade Yandiga, a Bajan to go, don't chapido. Me, out my seat in the bow look at Ye go look at Abogada Jiji wins up with a 9 Ye go look at the Yibo Abiji look for her. That the go see the book would look at. No, Ima, but away, Campedi, the Campedi, the Campedi, the Muridi. Ayan Dudio. He do Dudio Jesse of Bada Bumi Salada Badubawaya. Natagara Yula Bumbida Unazabra Ananda Ira Bori Dado Dodida Gaya Saway the Vandado Namzana Mandikosi the May Alkamadi Chedananda Jengana Payala the Dodi the Nabiga Subdi Mandiko said that me Alkamadi I may want to win it. Dada Hola Erika Malaba Batawi Kambati Meji looked up oh Kambati the Kambati Tamakambati Tampuredi and a daddy I believe in Jama Payala Pri than a Eureka look. Now Sadota Una Zabra Ananda Yara Modi than the Rodamazano, right? Maduko seek the man, Nigamadi Twila. Maduko seek the man, Bala. Mingay one day, Ma, Nigamadi Tway. Payalam Faro Mureka, Gigi Lode. Nadagu Una Zabra Ananda Yarada Dagado. Wale Ano Daradama Thambo Devi Thambo Zadi Yazavaya Thabijuda Nyamu Yaramure Dada Totole Payapi with Thabijuda Yara Kamalebe Atawi Kampati Miji Lude Besa Bob Bisio Dangagu Noto Chop Bunaza Brananda Yada Dagado Wale Andalega Mashivu, no, Andalega Mashivu. No drama the more with the Mosadi. No drama second body di Dabe. The messenger horrible Karawa and you look at now connect. Yana Dagada the North Amazano, Wale. I think I looked up with the rabbit who we come deep. Dika Malan, you looked at that the mob is here. Konakumya do Jame Shikumya Unaza Barana and that not the man. Yada Jakamata Dagada Dagadi. And nobody did Dayakana Nayo, Jam Shidu. Nibana Dadu and Nibana Dana. Brini by a D, Jemma Chonye. Tada together, Bawaza Chonye, Yodine Kama Lebe. I am but how we image the Gamadi Lowi. Brini by Sando Lebe, Dimiji Lude. Miji Logi, John Shepa. Imeko ananda hiruda bisya mada bumi salata badu bawaya. No? Kone? Ari ma toro kone story deku dagara pyo thara. Era mane pye ja ma pyo. Ko yin le. Ha? Da me ya bai ma twa lok. Ko yin le bwe du thi. Eze wahamba bazido eza bado adawe kaya. Eze wahamba bazido digane nga shin phit. Digane be yana phit. Digane be the jabe ma lok. Be ko yin. Yo. Toro sa phate ko. Na sa toro phate ko. And a military level of Palea, another one. Sorry, my daughter. Two, 3, page 170, paragraph. Causes of the earthquake. Then this thought occurred to the Venerable Ananda. Ananda ma dilu atwiri pola. O sir, wonderful it is. Osa unprecedentedly marvelous, mapeshable turu kege pita. This dreadful Chosia Kong hair reason winning eternal earthquake is indeed illusion the pita. Great earthquake, look. It is a stupendous, in a boulder. Is the Abania Buddha Mali Mumisala? Tomorrow, Mumisala with the Madonna, Asian Bandi, Abu Dhabi Bandi, Asian Abu Dhabi. It is a stuffy dance. The hours as the roll of thunder, bass, foot, gogging body, mojuri, dilata. Continuously assembly. What is the cause of a great earthquake? Meology and Chonga Pali. What is the condition leading to the great earthquake? Meology and Taubanga Pali. Venerable Ananda then approached the Bhagavan. Ananda di Yaswabhya will check out. Pay an obeisance to him. Payago Ayudi Beauty, seating himself on one side, then Yamadu time beaver, said to the Bhagavan, thus Payago you shall let Vanivesa Yaswabhya wonderful it is Dara Aho Gonivi Vanivesa unprecedented Sara Mapshepura marvelous teacher Mapshepura Kisabe. This is dreadful hair raising earthquake. Indeed, Tagaro Chausia Kondo Kedi Munyan Talaudo Milu Chimbe Great earthquake. It is stupendous. Ta'an over the call. Also roll of thunder burst forth continuously. Mojo repilai seven biapa. What is the cause of a great earthquake? What is the condition leading to the great earthquake? One, Ananda. There are 8 causes. 8 conditions. Leading to the great earthquake. Great earthquake ne padda miji jije luda ne padda lu chang thau tha shiku shi. 1. Ananda. This great earthquake is supported by water. This great earth. Ti miji go by water miji ga support. Ye do ji ga ne support lukta. Era riga science ne thought too. Great earth is supported by water. Kababi ji go ye do ji ga takkanda. The water is by air. Ye go lega takkanda. The air by speed. Lega ro agada lumbien ne ma shira po. Agada helembien ne ma shira po. At times, great wind, lady piena look like solution, blow strongly, piena the motor like solution. When the great wind blows strongly, lady piena tight the car, the water is shaken. Lady piena the type. When the water is shaking, ye look at the earth is shaking, ye look. Lay tight, lay boga, ye look. Ye look, ye boga, me look. This is the first cause, first condition leading to the occurrence of the great earthquake. And second, again, Ananda, Samana, recluse, ascetic, or Yamana, a man of religious pursuit. Yet they had the Bokwa, that showed who has a great mental power, Duruba, Chijere, Sitagushi. Who is a proficient in the supernormal power of the mind. Say don't get it, the Guru, the Rumashi, or Deva, not left of the great power. And second, potency, say talk with the pada, say good nine in it, say the ocean way. Nadi lepian in it, the manari lepian in it, Yamanari lepian in it. By developing Baladi Salama. The child is sheer, intense concentration on a limited image of the other element. Limited image of the other element. No? Gavami Yivo Madru Bhavana Galala. Nenebe point. Limited image. Gavami Yivo Daidana Dru Bhavana. On the ultimate image of the water element. Ye Jaro Babi, ultimate sa Mishi, through Alonju, Bhavana Pwa, but we get that go Nene Pwa, Mido, Aboga go Miai Pwa. Every ye will look like her. Aboga Pwa, Mido, ye will look like her. Causes this act to quake. Era Miji Lucia Jami. Era Sabi Yada, Yede, Zoji, the Padiri, no? But we got a nearly poem, a boca than Yaipon. A boca than Yaipon, you will look later, you want me, you look what a dava way. Because as they say, out of the way to sway my. You look like a little load. Pali Benaboshi, Arab Jantia. Sway violently, so be like rock up and down, so take out look. And to converse, somewhere for a dog on don't look. Be like look there, a take out look there, somewhere for a dog on don't look. This is the second cause. Coming. Now 3. Ananda, when the future Buddha mindfully and deliberately, that it being a legenda, and I got women, Kayala, pathway in the Dusita, they were ring. To the Nabi Mathi is a conceit in his mother's womb. Ilubiga me one man needing this earthquake sway violently or be like rock up and down and take out look. No? Combine, Chelsea, on look. Number 3. Number 4. When the future Buddha, Anaga Bome Payala, mindfully and deliberately issue from the mother's womb, Amay issues 12. This earthquake, Digabayi, sway violently, directly, rock up and down until is a convert, Chelsea on look. And we want to fire a car. 5. Again, and when he did attain the most supreme perfect enlightenment, no? Most supreme perfect enlightenment. That means you don't know Yarabudi a car. The earthquake, sway violently, rock up and down, rock and rock is convert, Chelsea on don't look. 6. Again, another. When the Tathagata set the noblest queen of the Dhamma, set, and he set, no number, set foot, gone, set off, and looked at set noblest queen of Dhamma. Dhamma Seko, Lelero, Mudi Aka. The message at Diago, Horo Mudi Aka. Emotion, a shade of net. Solo Ragaro, by expounding the first discourse on the Four Noble Truth, there's a liver power in it, but I'm not there, Horo Mudi Aka, Solo Raga. There's a quick, the music. Sway violently, no? Be like rock up and down, Babel, take off look, is converse, Chelsea, come on look. This is a sick, that Chaku Myoki be looking. 7. Ananda, when Tathagata mindfully, deliberately decided When Tadagata decided, Babe, Yasabiaga Soviet to give a soluble, life-sustaining mental process, Ayudhagara soluble Soviet car, Aquay, sway bearing rock up and down. Is compound. This is the seven cause of the, no? Number 8, Ananda, which the Buddha passed away. When? That's all it is. When Buddha passed away, Buddha Gwelanoka, enter upon Nibbana, Nibbana with Oka, by experiencing the ultimate peace. Abida Jinjango, Kanza, Nibbana with the complete extension of the 5 Kanda, Kandamavaria Yivashi Chojin in the Gua, Preniba Pureka, the Arque loaded, Yiji loaded, sway violently, Bida loaded, rock up and down, take out loaded, is convert, loaded. This is the 8th cause of the 8th condition leading to the occurrence of the great earthquake. Another, these are the 8 causes of the 8th condition leading to the causes of the great earthquake. Leading to the occurrence of the great earthquake. Miri Eji Luji Joshiba Davawe. Number 8 Luchin a Jonga say with that, Consul. Number 8 Miri looked up, I will look. Lee look. Abba Agada Agada Iboma Ledu Woma Yedu Woma Yedu. Also, Agada Machine, Liga Ludo, Yellow, Yevoma Neda, Ye look. Da sign and the appropriate. And a conclusion of Jojana 18 ma, no? With the butter. The voice with a say alone, lone and a Boguria. Slow their job, that do the Tadia never see. Early Piobro, Coelina and me. Manga, Rekida, Bamani. Do the bed. Managa, Bemanil. That was it. Pelere Yim, Slangoni look you would need a Ekuro. Managamati. Ye would slang low, slang 20 don't need a. The cool, flow over. And I do the bed. Quayle Yamil. No, sorry, Yanabit. Có là sập bê dây để quá, bà na cái mà thấy gì à, sập bê dây để sắp đến cái mà thằng hồ này có, khu ra cái gì mà ra đam bà bún đi bộ, hả? Tu rụp rồi, để nó dây cái gì sông rồi, ra đam bà bún đi, sana bên nhà hi sa, thắt tama bắt đi hi sa, sadu b리 tam b리 đà hi sa, no, ấy là đi pa. Bây giờ cháu bà tầm bà xếp bà Bởi vì mình đã lý bà này là cô ấy Nhá nà bị Anh ấy cô ấy ngà Izi wa hàm bà bà dì đỏ Ngà đi cái này bè Xếp hết Isa bắt đỏ ả đỏ khay Đi cái này bè nhá nà bị Ngà đi cái này bè Tà nhá mẹ yà bè mà ngủ lúc chết so death on. Tell the video, the Yaman baby who appear Piada. She don't let one kind. But low of low. And a baby another media. Commaria 12. Go in. Manaluga. Believe us all. Go in. Slaunya. Go in. Bamboo. Chirogina can. Baby low. Baby low. Naga Nachi Delone Boy. Tumia Gong Maria. Bayma Lalo. Bashan the Madame even a Lalo, decoy. Another media, Mount Wayna Lulu Pioino. Makanji Makana Killer. Yana Kiba. And not Ubese, one Meme. Another media bureau to me, Paddy. Saya Lanyon Jet Lake Congo Namaya Vene, Napadi. Saya Lanyon Jet Ni Nipi Le Congo Mapavene, La Loda. If you like that bureau, I don't know, Siasi Piandora, Sia Bema. Ye was lying on you, look, I'm a name. Millerem. Siara Thief, another man, niece or a shire, no? Guna Dogu Pioga Agada, Ledu, Yedu, Dilunira. Chizan, Belede Nochi of the Amiola. Belede Nochi of the Amiola. Noji Yela Yere Miola, Noji Java, the Lubian Mola Energy. When you are Chechen Nia, the Bamia, Yivo Manila, Jilo, Mijilo, any year by your look, sliding, later you look. Aboga was out. Avogada was Abiro. Baymani, the guy with an Abeda out the Quelo Miyu Papa Zema. Avogada was Abiro. Ji of them. Raji of Belede of the Lubini Rabo. Hola. Teaching the Yenagoni. Pashilam Dinam. Yala, Abura. Nochija Upoma Piada. Brimani out the Quino, Yiri Panzela. And a baby, Yirema Polo Pia. Peter of Bagatang was that. Why Okatang was that? Balula. Later shot. Which an Abiyadaji Babian, Nochija Belere Nodolupia. Any story would have Radini Kukata 80 Bada, Seda with the Bada Buguli, John, Slow days of the Dinia Dali Kukata. Era the Hugamari Bulupigo. Baymane another media Buluni. Lega died, Ye loaded, Yedem Apollo Pin the Baymania, Laden. Later, the Benavabio, the Nochi Jalupian. Ain't a Bagado Wapia, the Goyodin of Wapia. The video of Goni Bugo, Mabi, Banya, Moli, or Gomabi, Lubiano, Bernardo, Balia, and Goma Webo. Not the hour, I look at her. Never had a hold. And these guys are a year. Not there, Navi. Men and lava. Erima Goyanga Udan Jura, no Gata Naposhi. Is a Wahan Babazido is a Bado, otherwise, Davida. In a devotion, no job, you know that she conclusion at that. The one and look. ဒါပေမဲ့နီးရှိတယ်နီးစနစ်ရှိတယ်ရှင်မောကလန်တို့လှုပ်တာတွေလည်းအများကြီးပဲနော်ဝိသကကြောင့်လည်းကြီးလှုပ်ပလိုက်တာဝိဇာနာပြတ်တာကြီးလှုပ်ပလိုက်တာနော်ရှုလတဏသင်္ခရသုံးပါလားဟုတ်လားတရားမင်းဥယျာဉ်ကစားထွက်ဥယျာဉ်နဲ့ရောက်တော့မှသူကောင်မတွေသူကြည့်ပြီးတော့စိတ်ပြက်ဒါတွေကကိလေသာကိစ္စတွေပဲစိတ်ပြက်ဖို့ကောင်းတယ်ဆိုဘုရားစီဆဲသွားပြီအဲ့ကိလေသာကိုအောင်ဘာလုပ်မလဲတဏှာကိုအောင်ဘာလုပ်မလဲမေးတော့ဘုရားကဝေဒနာရှုဟောတာဒါပေမဲ့ပြန်သွားတော့တရားကရှုလာဝေဒနာရှုရလားမရှုဘူးပြောတာပဲအဲ့တော့အရှင်မောက္ကလန်ကလိုက်သွားပြီးတော့ဘာလုပ်ရလဲဝိဇန္တာကိုလှုပ်ပြရကြောက်တယ်အဲ့ဒါကသုလတဏသင်္ခရသုံးပါရှိဘုရားကတော့ဒီဝတ္ထုဒီနေရာမှာပဲတက္ကရာကပြောထားနော်ဒီတော့အဘုဒ္ဓတို့ဒီကနေ့တော်ပြီနော်ပင်ပန်းဆင်းဆိုတာလိုက်ကြတဲ့ကျောင်းသားတွေအတွက်တော့ငါနည်းနည်း sorry ပါတောင်းပါမယ်နော်အင်္ဂလိပ်လိုကြိုးစားဖောက်အထမဟာဘူမိစာရ eight causes of the great earthquake နော် eight causes of the great earthquake တိဘာကြောင့်လို့လေလှုပ်လို့ရေလှုပ်ရေလှုပ်လို့ရေပေါ်ကမြေကြီးလှုပ်နှစ်ဘာဖြစ်လို့လှုပ်တကောရှင်တွေကလှုပ်သုံးဘာဖြစ်လို့လှုပ်ဘုရားလောင်းပရိသတ်နေနေတော့လှုပ်လေးကခွာတော့လှုပ်ငါဘုရားဖြစ်တော့လှုပ်6ကဓမ္မစကြာဟောလှုပ်9ကအယုသင်္ကာရလှုပ်တော့လှုပ်10ကပြိဋိဘာသံတော့လှုပ်တယ်ဒါကောင်းတယ်အဲ့ဒါမျိုးသေချာစီမှာဘုန်းကြီးတွေငါကြကျောင်းသားလေးတွေဗမာအခရာနဲ့ဗမာပါဠိကောင်းကောင်းဖတ်တတ်အောင်လုပ်ပြရOkay, everyone. See you tomorrow, same time, same place.
Thank you.